When you're responsible for the safety of others, you want to guarantee that each one of your components meets the highest possible standards. At Novacam, we take this to heart. That's why providing inspection tools that meet the challenges of the industry is central to our purpose. Our RS2 is a high-definition metrology probe that provides a non-contact optical inspection with submicron precision. Novacam's probe surpasses other probes because it has the capacity to reach complex cavities in a fully automated digital inspection. Watch how the probe scans this valve body. It's using an optical light beam to reflect off the surface and collect the data necessary to create a 3D interactive model of the inner cylinders. The digital output will provide the exact measurements of distance, as well as position and cylindricity. It can show any dimensional or surface defects up to the micrometer and measure roughness. You can also get datum alignment and assess the geometric tolerances of all internal features. You can even toggle to the deviation map view, which will highlight the areas that are out of tolerance. Novacam's RS2 is intended to match your needs in quality assurance. We believe in the importance of high-precision data to guarantee excellence. For more information, contact us.